Math and softball.
The basics. The distance from each base to the next is 60 feet, and the distance around the bases from home to home is 240 feet. The distance from the pitcher's mound to home is 43 feet. The distance from home to the fence is between 190 feet and 225 feet. The softball field is 2/3 the size of a baseball field.
Pitching. Softball uses an underhand pitching motion, also known as a windmill. The force is generated by the stride and the torque of the body. A baseball pitch moves faster than a softball, and a softball pitch arrives faster than a baseball. This is due to the difference in the distance between the mound and home plate. A softball pitch can move in 4 directions: up, down, inside, and outside, while baseball pitches can only move in 3 directions: down, outside, and in. This is due to the difference in release points. These pictures show the different paths the 2 different pitches can take. A softball path can go up as well as down and straight across, but a baseball pitch can only go down.
Batting. The decision time to identify the type of the pitch and the location is around 0.025 seconds. A softball swing is around 60 to 80 miles per hour, while a baseball swing is 80 to 100 miles per hour. Bats typically have a drop 9, drop 10, or drop 11 balances, which is the length of the bat minus the drop equals the weight. Each balance is made with power and speed in mind. A heavy bat will have more force, but a lighter bat will allow for a faster swing to compete with quick pitches better. There's different technology for bats, which can be aluminum, alloys, or composite metal. Composite metal bats have more pop and flex than aluminum bats to allow the ball to travel further. Some composite bats have 1, 2, 3, or even 4 pieces involved in it, and they have different shaped handles.
Base running is probably the most confusing part of softball for those who don't play it. Leads can only be taken on release of the pitch or at the hip of the pitcher. An average home to first time is 3 seconds, and an average home to home time is 12 seconds to 13 seconds. A catcher's pop time on a steal has to be less than 2.5 seconds. Pop time refers to the time it takes for a catcher to receive the ball and throw the ball down to second base. As runners get faster, fielders and catchers have to get faster too, and speed is an important factor in a player's ability.
Fielding. Hits can come off the bat up to 100 miles per hour. Infielders have as little as 0.6 seconds to react to a hit, which would be where the ball is going and where they have to field it. When fielding a hit, a fielder has to receive and throw the ball in 3 seconds in order to throw the runner out. On a slap hit, the hitter is closer to first base, and so they have a shorter distance to run, which means the ball has to be played in under 3 seconds to get the player out. The timing on the play relies on the speed of the ball off the bat and the distance the fielder is standing away.
Stats. Stats have been in all sports since their beginnings. Batting average, on-base percentage, and slugging percentage all refer to batters. Caught stealing percentage refers to base runners. Earned runs allowed refers to pitchers, and fielding percentage refers to fielders. On-base percentage is your hits plus your walks plus your hit by pitches, so all the times you've been on base, divided by all of your at-bats. Slugging percentage refers to the total number of bases you have got between all of your hits divided by your at-bats. Your caught stealing percentage is how many times you were caught stealing divided by your stolen base attempts. Your earned run allowed for pitchers is how many earned runs in a game times 7, because that's the average number of innings in a softball game, divided by innings thrown. Fielding percentage is how many putouts and assists divided by all of the fielding attempts.